Hey, this is Ryan Burke with Tennessee Home Center in Three-Way, Tennessee. Our office number is 731-784-5033. Please call to schedule your appointment today. What we're doing today is going to be doing a video walkthrough tour of one of our champion models. And before I start that, I did want to send you a little message. All the families out there that are kind of hunkering down for the COVID-19 virus, hang in there. I believe it's all going to get better before it gets worse. You're doing the right thing, and I'm doing this today to kind of help you if you're hanging out at the house, looking on Facebook, to walk our inventory and give you a good look at what we have on display here at Tennessee Home Center. If you would, like our Facebook page, and you can follow along, get all the updates as we work through our inventory. I'm going to start doing these every few days so you can see all of our floor plans. Starting out here on the exterior of this champion, this is a 32 by 68. This is a fully floated sheetrock home. It does have an exterior accent on it, which is considered the anniversary exterior. You got a Simplake accent with rock around your front door, coach lights, and your eyebrow dormer. Let's step inside and take a look. Coming in, you walk into your large living space. Then you have a separated dining area that's separated by these fully floated sheetrock columns. And then into your kitchen. LED lighting, overhead air, and then into the kitchen. Large kitchen, plenty of storage, cabinet pantry, French door refrigerator, and with your appliance package you get a smooth top range and over the range microwave. All homes do come with a dishwasher installed. This one we've added a farm sink to match the appliances. This kitchen does have the drawer over door construction, which means you get a door over every cabinet door in the base cabinets, rounded countertops, ceramic backsplash. The archways give it a open feeling, yet you do have a defined space for your dining, entertainment area, and living space. Ceiling fan installed, again, overhead air vents so you don't have to worry about furniture placement. And then into the master. This is the master bedroom. And I know it's a little dark, maybe you can see it. Large master closet with a built-in base cabinet and countertop. And into the master bath. His and hers vanity with his and her linen cabinets with drawer bank, so you have plenty of storage. The key to this home is plenty of storage. Full fiberglass shower. Sweet retreat soaker tub, built-in cabinets, plenty of natural light. And we'll go to the other side of the home. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath. This is the first of your standard bedrooms. Large bedrooms. Arrowwood paint is the color in here. It's one of our favorite paints. The second of the standard bedrooms. I do want to show you this closet. This has full walk-in closets in these other bedrooms. And then the third bedroom of the standard bedrooms. This is the fourth total bedroom and another walk-in closet. This is your standard bath, your hall bath. rolled countertops, porcelain sinks, frame mirrors, tulip lights. Got some natural light that comes in. With this being a 32 wide, we've added the optional garden tub, so you actually have a soaker tub in your standard bath, not just your narrow bathtub combo. Champion does a good job with porcelain vanities, full fiberglass showers. And then here is your utility room where we have added, once again, plenty of storage. You've got storage all along this wall. Laundry tub. Cabinets over the washer and dryer. Do have a whole house shut off. And then a folding table and hanging rack. This is one of my favorite floor plans. This is a Champion model built out of Dresden, Tennessee. So come down to Tennessee Home Center, call and book an appointment. Right now we're appointment only, but soon I'm hoping to tell you just to come on in. I don't think we'll have a problem. We hope to see you. If you want to come down and walk the homes in person, as for now, we'll start putting you some videos up of walking the homes. I want y'all to stay safe out there, and God bless.